Hello friends, I am Ritesh Dwivedi from Department of Aerospace Engineering, IIT Kharagpur, and in this video, I have made a simple door alarm using Tinkercad software. Now let's begin with the introduction of components. I have used Arduino Uno R3 as a microcontroller. This is ultrasonic distance sensor, and using breadboard, I have connected piezo alarm along with the two LEDs. Now let's see how it works. So we will start simulation. Now I have set the range up to 200 centimeter, and since this point is at a greater distance than that, the red LED is glowing and the buzzer is off. As soon as I bring this point near to the distance sensor and it enters the range, the buzzer starts buzzing. See, like this, and the green LED also starts glowing. Now I will explain you the code behind this, for which we will move to the code part. So these are the blocks I have used. I first created the set variable in which a distance variable to read the ultrasonic distance sensor on trigger pin 2, echo pin 3 in units centimeter. Then I have used the control block to apply the condition. If distance is less than 200, then set pin 8 to high, set pin 12 to low. Now we will see what it means. Here you can see set pin number 8 is connected to the green LED and the buzzer. So when I put this pin high, they both start glowing and buzzing respectively. And else set pin 8 to low and set pin 12 to high. So when the distance is greater than 200, then we have reversed the condition. We have set pin 8 to low and set pin 12 to high, which means now the red LED will start glowing and the buzzer and the green LED will get switched off. So this was the simple door alarm. Thank you very much.